Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Let me see the project. Joint spectrum and power allocation for multi-node cooperative wireless systems. Then modified title, multi-party band and authority allotment for multi-lump two-way wireless systems. Let me see the abstract. Energy efficiency is a growing concern for wireless network, not only due to the emerging traffic demand from smart devices, but also because of the dependency on the traditional unsustainable energy and the overall environmental concerns. The urgent call for reducing power consumption while meeting system requirements has motivated increasing research effort on green radio. In this project, we investigate a new joint spectrum and power allocation scheme for a cooperative downlink multi-user system using the frequency division multiple access scheme, in which arbitrary M-base stations coordinately allocate the resources to each user equipment, with the assumption that multi-PS UE, user being served by multi-PS, would require the same amount of spectrum from this BSS. We conclude that when the number of multi-BS UES is limited by M-1, the resource allocation scheme can always guarantee the minimum overall transmit power consumption while meeting the throughput requirement of each UE and also each BSS power constraint. Then to decide the cluster of multi-BS UES and the cluster of individual BS UES user being served by individual BSS, we propose a UE-BS association scheme and a complexity reduction scheme. Finally, a novel joint spectrum and power allocation algorithm is proposed to minimize the total power consumption. Simulation results are presented to verify the optimality of the derived scheme. Let me see the flow diagram. Start the process to collect the network information and packet information, to create the node, then joint spectrum, file details, then smart devices, power allocation, frequency division, multiple access divider to BS and UE, then grouping BS and UE, then power consumption. The process is end. To run our process, network information, IP address, MAC address, username, system name, OS version number, HD serial number, processor, BIOS, CPU speed, physical memory, system memory, monitor size. To save the details and go to next process, then load files, build, open, then to get the packet information, save details. Then next process is view the network information and packet information. To choose the already stored networks using existing, view network details. Generate path, reconstruct path, generate node, generate path to create, then modify path, starting node and ending node, generate path, save modified path, hash code generation, then constructor hash code, fast bootstrapping, load hash function, constructor network, then select node, a node, generate node, then generate path, modify path, then starting node and ending node, generate path, save modify path, case code generation, constructor case code. The process is end.